sensibility and practicality define the 2008 Chevrolet Malibu Classic. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include front bucket seats, speed-sensitive wipers, an outside temperature display, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.